Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. And here bundle of bundles, okay, for PowerPoint, for Adobe Illustrator, some file and some for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, just one time payment, and then you have all access of my files. Okay, here action file for Photoshop, where Photoshop fonts you can use in Android or Windows anywhere. Here's icon, pattern and presentation. Okay, 3D live Photoshop action, abstract stroke, focal zoom, ghost, Photoshop glitch and pencil sketch you can use in Photoshop. Next, and here files with download link. Okay, open and click on download. You automatically redirect to download page. Next, font adventures, amazing. Okay, next, icons with different categories, pattern for Photoshop. Next, presentation, my app presentation. Okay, here image, like background, style, slide. Next, PowerPoint template, 26 MB and 25, and same thing in Photoshop PSD. Okay, you see first slide, second, third, fourth and 5. Here total 22 file, 2 slides. Okay, thanks for your time. And same thing in PowerPoint, you can adjust in Photoshop or you can adjust in PowerPoint. Presentation, keynote. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.